p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newberry Springs, Oregon, 7 miles east of Daggett, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and blowing gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Daggett and Newberry Springs. This includes the following roads: Interstate 15 in California between mile markers 82 and 98. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 8 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. It's 4:44.